Morning, it's Practice What You Preach Monday morning, and I'm about to get my adjustments off George and to start the day well. I like to get adjusted every couple of weeks because I really feel the difference if I don't, especially because our job's quite physical. We're moving patients around and that kind of thing. So, let's begin.
Right.
How do you want me?
Well, let's get laying on your back on the bench face
On my back.
please. Yeah. Right. So, how long has it been since your last adjustment, actually?
Well, Father, it's been at least 2 weeks.
Oh dear. Oh dear. With the hammering that you put this plug in and that plug in through, actually. Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
So that needs to go. So, I'm just going to adjust a little bit here on the left hand side first. Wiggle your toes, please. Smile. I can't actually see if you're smiling or not. Just assume you're smiling.
Oh, right.
So, right. On your front, please face downwards. Okay, so this thing is a little more prominent. So this side needs a bit more work. Deep breath in, all the way up. Go again, and up. Bless you. Left leg up as high as you can. Drop down. Right leg up as high as you can. Drop down. Yeah, left side definitely needs more help. Breathe in, and go. Okay.
Whoa.
Ooh, that's really quite stiff.
That was a tight spot.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Right. Well, left leg up first as high as you can. Drop down. Yeah, that definitely needs more help. Line your right side, please, facing the camera.
Okay. Why do you adjust the thumbs?
Well, because your thumbs get used for everything.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Name 5 things that you own that do not require the use of opposable thumbs.
Socks. Oh no, you got to put them on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'll wait. I'll be here a while. Deep breath in and smile. On your front, please, face down. Left leg up as high as you can.
That's that.
Yeah, that's way
Yeah.
stronger. Right leg up as high as you can. You think we've not lost anything, but it's been more obvious that this side here that's focusing on a bit more. So this is that's a little more active. Okay. How averse are you to needles?
I'm not. I'm going to be brave because I'm on camera, so I'm fine.
Okay. Well, I was thinking more like other stuff, but yeah.
I'm
Hey,
happy.
YouTube.
I'm happy sticking them in other people.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm actually like this. I'm the same as well, actually. The first time I had acupuncture done was actually on my brain eating course.
Was it?
Yeah. Despite living with an acupuncturist for over 18 years.
Fair enough. Oh god.
Well, no, that's not true. I tried it once, and I think my little baby brain can take it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, no. But here we go.
Okay.
So this on the outside here. So right in the glutes here, that is going to need some help. Is that a bit sharp?
No, it's fine. Fine.
So, I think this is a bit of the video where you just lie there for a few minutes.
Okay. Well, let's not make it too long, so you just get the idea.
Yeah, I know. Probably cut this actually.
But it's live, mate.
Oh, is it live?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Okay, this is pretty on now actually. Right leg up as high as you can. Drop down. Left leg up as high as you can.
Yeah.
Drop down. Great. Anything adjustment wise that's done?
Yep.
Anything else you need to?
No, that's great. Thank you. Happy days.
Thank you, good stuff.
Oh, awesome. Ready to face the world. Your turn.
Right.